How to delete Facebook activity all at once. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your phone. Tap the menu icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. Now scroll down, tap Settings and Privacy, and then tap Settings. Scroll down until you find the Your Activity section, then tap Activity Log. Next, tap Facebook Activity. Scroll down to the Other Activity section and tap Manage Other Activity. Here, you can view all of your Facebook activity, including your searches, visits, and other actions. If you want to delete a specific activity, tap the three dots next to it, then tap Delete. Tap Delete again to confirm. If you want to delete all of your activity at once, go back to the Settings page. Tap Account Center. Next, tap Your Information and Permissions. Then tap Your Activity off Meta Technologies. Now tap Clear Previous Activity. Tap Clear, review the information on the screen, and then tap Clear Previous Activity again to confirm. Facebook will now delete all of your previous activity. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more quick tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.